running wild on this whole night, sitting by the traffic light zone. I don't know